Honey, nature's golden gift. But have you ever wondered how honey is made, from the hard work of bees all the way to the honey jars you find in stores? Today, we're diving into both the natural process and how it's scaled up in factories. Everything starts with the bees. Worker bees visit flowers to collect nectar, a sweet liquid that plants produce to attract them. Once a bee collects nectar, it stores it in its honey stomach, where enzymes begin breaking the nectar down into simpler sugars. When the bee returns to the hive, it passes the nectar to other bees, continuing the process. In the hive, bees deposit the nectar into honeycomb cells, and then they fan their wings to help water evaporate from the nectar, thickening it into honey. Once thickened, the honey is sealed in the honeycomb with beeswax to keep it fresh. That's how bees make honey, the natural way. But how do we get the honey from the hive into the jar in your kitchen? That's where modern honey factories come in. First, beekeepers harvest honeycombs from their hives. These combs are carefully transported to factories where the honey extraction process begins. The first step is extraction. Machines called honey extractors use centrifugal force to spin the honey out of the combs without damaging them. After extraction, the honey is filtered to remove any impurities, like bits of wax or pollen. This ensures a smooth, clean product. Once filtered, the honey is either heated slightly to keep it from crystallizing or left raw for a more natural texture. Finally, it's poured into jars, sealed and labeled, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. So the next time you drizzle honey on your toast, you'll know that behind every jar is the hard work of both bees and modern technology. From flower to factory, honey's journey is one of nature and innovation working together. If you found this video sweet, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at everyday items.